Who in India doesn't know about Saheli Chatterjee? She is literally the godmother of freelancing who started educating Indians about the real potential of freelancing. From some days, she is getting backlash. And for what? Nothing. Some random YouTubers came and started putting allegations on her that she doesn't have any skills. You tell me, everyone, without any skills, how you can run two Instagram pages, one of 4,75,000 followers and one of 1,36,000 followers. A YouTube channel having 2,85,000 subscribers. Do you really think it's possible to do without skills? Do you think it's possible to position yourself as a go-to-go freelance guru without any skills? Even if she was a scammer. I am using words if. You can't deny the fact she has gold level marketing skills. Second, in one way, you are not just ruining and destroying her business, but her reputation by making useless content. And for what? Just to get traction to run your channel smoothly. Business in digital age runs on reputation, and such allegations destroy someone's reputation, whether they are true or not. See, my friend, even if you get a lot of traction and success by putting negative content about someone, you will never be able to become successful at mass. The reason for that is you have destroyed your chances to come into her network, which could have opened a lot of doors for you. When you become successful, these peoples to whom you watch today becomes your peers. And when your whole career is based on using other people's as your success ladder, you are not going to have any positive results for too long. There's a concept called choose your enemies wisely in the business. I totally agree there are going a lot of scams in the coaching industry, and I can tell you that you can't know more than me. Because I am a copywriter myself, helping high-ticket coaches and e-com brands to sell more of their info products and physical products by using words. So I know much more than a lot of people how coaching industry is becoming the most scammiest industry. But let me tell you, you can't come and throw rocks at them who are providing genuine value to the people who are not having access to those informations. Let's just agree with you for a moment that she doesn't have worked with any of the clients and made only money through selling courses. How many people she have taught who started to earn by following her frameworks and methods? At least she is providing some sort of value, not coming on internet and throwing allegations to become successful on somebody else. At least she is not making videos on expose this, expose that to get traction. I could have scripted and made this video 20 to 30 minutes long, but I don't think so I need to speak that much when you just got my point. She is doing a great work, even though she is selling courses. Selling courses is not bad. If you're providing generally value and helping other people, you can sell courses. Because you are not only just selling the courses, you are selling the information, the knowledge, the experience, the time you have put together, all these things that I've spoken in the first three sections of the video. You can literally sell because these are going to help a person to earn money to become successful and will reduce the stress of finding each and everything by their own and will save them a lot of time. So selling courses is not bad at all. Saheli, if by any chance you are watching this video, I wanted to say you, stay strong, girl. We are with you. And to others, please stop putting allegations on the ones who are providing some genuine value to help others. If you really wanted to become the hero and serve the humanity by just exposing the dark peoples who are stealing the money from the wallet of the people, please expose the ones who are really doing this scam in the industry. In the end of the video, I would say one thing. Remember, you will win in the end, but the cost of winning should never be your values.